In this video, we will learn how to solve one-step equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence that has two sides separated by an equal sign. Let's take an example. X plus 4 is equal to 12. X is a known variable. 4 and 12 are the constants. We will use a simple method to determine the value of x. We will isolate x. So we will subtract 4 from left hand side and 4 from right hand side. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 and 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So the value of x comes out to be 8. Let's take another example. 5x is equal to 35. We have to isolate x. So we will divide left hand side by 5 and we will divide right hand side by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So the value of x comes out to be 7. If you like my video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my next video. Thanks for watching.